Okay, so it's processed. Yeah. So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be viewing a project I have been making in this break between class 10 boards which just ended and class 11. So yeah, I have been making this security type of project and the ethnic voice chat project which was working yesterday, but there are some bugs still. I showed its structure in the YouTube shorts that I uploaded yesterday. But yeah, after fixing the bugs, I will upload a full video for it as well. But now we are going to be working on the security project. We are going to be viewing it and finishing it, right? So yeah, let's get going. You might be wondering what is this thing right here. This thing, yeah, this thing, what is this thing? Let me show you what is this. So this is a secondary camera I have used as my phone. So let me take it out. Yeah, so yeah, so that is the ethnic project, right? That is the thing, and this is the project we are going to be working on today. So here, this is the Arduino Uno, which is getting the serial instruction from the computer's .py code, and this Arduino Uno is controlling two devices. One is a relay and another one is a buzzer. So if you type in B in the serial, it will turn on the buzzer, and if you type T, it will turn on this relay, which connects this 18650 battery with this 400 kilovolt high voltage generator, and it will complete the circuit, and 400 kilovolt will be outputted here. So what is happening here is basically the Arduino is controlling the buzzer, and it is controlling the relay through serial commands, and the relay is completing the circuit for this 400 kilovolt thing, right? So let's see what happens. Let's get started. So I will be putting this away. Yikes. Okay, so here I will also add this actually. So what do we do? Yeah, add existing video capture device 2. So here is our thing. We will hide it here. So let's get going. This is our directory. We are using a virtual environment here, and there are some codes. Let me show you. So this is that serial command sending code, which will test it out, the command sending. So there is a command called fire pulse, which all of these we will be using in our main code also. So this will push the letter T in the serial, this will push the letter B, and this is a kind of thing. Let me do ta and boo. So this is what we are going to be using. So now let me pull this out again. So you can see this here, right? I think you can see this. Yeah, and you can see this too. So let's do it. Let's first do buzz. Invalid. Oh, sorry, BU. Yeah, as you can see, the double buzz was heard, and if we do TA, as you can see, this was seen. So that's the thing, guys, right? Let me push this inside again. Yeah, and then the second thing that I want to show you is this is the Arduino code that is receiving the commands. I don't really need to explain this that much. I will just show you. This is the code. I will upload all of this in the GitHub repo, don't worry. So Now let's me show you this thing 2.py. This is basically, I will have to remove this API key, whatever. So this is just let me close this. Yeah. So this is a Gemini code which is designed by Gemini. See, the codes that I design myself, I show you the making of it, right? I record while I code. But these, I am telling you honestly, both of these projects, the codes, the base code is developed by Gemini only. Okay, it's AI developed. But yeah, of course, AI is not that good in debugging, so I'm the one who debugged it and added my modifications. For example, here this guy was saying Gemini 1.5 Flash dash preview something something. So that is not the model name, but I know it that this is the model name, so I entered it. And also the start time is the modification that I made. So yeah. So here we are turning, we are opening the image which we are inputting the path as argument and turning it into base 64, and here we are analyzing using a prompt and query. By the way, the output is given as JSON. We can save the JSON here as well. Is theft is a component, confidence is like 1 is 100%, 0.9 is 90%, and so on. Danger level, it was not implemented in this one, it was implemented here. So, and reasoning is also important for obvious reasons. And here if we switch to 2.py again, so here we are doing the retry stuff, because if we are retrying when the query isn't successful, analysis is not successful, and this guy went on believing that he could be heard for 5 more minutes. Yay! Okay, so hello guys. There had been a power cut, I'm sorry. So basically, as I was discussing, what was I discussing again? 2.py. Yeah. So I have added this feature which Gemini couldn't think of for some reason. So the analysis variable that Gemini returns, which contains the JSON data, I am saving as a JSON file like this. And as I said, the JSON contents is theft, confidence level, danger level, and reasoning. So it would be a helpful feature, as I thought, to save these for future. You get me. So finally, this is the main thing where we are printing out the things, and this is the execution where we are passing on the image files, and we are passing on the image files, and we are ending the total timer after these two are processed, and we are printing the total runtime. I could have just shown you this one, but I thought why not go one step further and show you the complete. There has been two of these files by the Proto 1, and Proto 2 is the more advanced one, and what it does is directly connects the code to the hardware. So as we can see, there is a test suite here, test 1, test 2, and test 3, and now let me explain that how does this function. I have a tablet now, but I am too lazy to switch the recording over there, so I am going to use my old trusty pen. So basically, say this is the image, and this image will come from the feed, remember, right? The ESP32CAM feed would directly be passed on to the base 64 converter and onto Gemini. So this feed. So hello guys, I thought when we are actually doing this, why not do the complete thing? So I am on my tab, and let's explain the working of the security project that I've been working on. So yeah, by the way, this is future me when I'm editing the video. So let me, yeah, so the thing is, this, say this is the feed, right? This is the feed coming from the ESP32 CAM, right? So this is obviously going to Gemini as base 64, right? As base 64. And then Gemini is outputting three things. What is it outputting? First is underscore theft, which is a boolean. Then it is danger level. Then finally reasoning, right? So now when let's divide into two things. If it is theft true, is underscore theft, and if it is not, is underscore theft not, right? So if it is theft, firstly JSON is saved in both of them. The JSON that's outputted by Gemini, it's saved, right? JSON saved. Now here no action is taken. No action is taken. Now we can make it simpler, right? Buzzer goes off anyways. Buzzer goes off. Then danger level, if it is high, if it is low, no more action is taken, because in danger level low we are just turning off turning on the buzzer, we are doing nothing else. But in danger level high we are turning on the buzzer, of course, that we already wrote, right? But after that we are also, yeah, we are also turning on the taser. So that's the thing, guys, right? The buzzer starts beeping. So this was the safe image which returned is theft false, but here it is the low danger level, because you can clearly see the robber is not armed, at least the AI thinks so. And this is not so deep that we will understand whether he has a pistol in his pocket or something. So this is danger level low, but this is danger level high because of obvious reasons. So here not only buzzer, but with buzzer the taser turns on to either scare the person away or to directly shock him. But how will we shock him? I don't know. We will figure it out. For now, let's just run the software and then we will integrate the ESP32 CAM feed thing and then call it okay. So let's turn on proto2.py, but before that I will pull this out. Yeah, a clear view you can see, I guess, right? We can even pull this out a bit, and yes, you can see, yeah, you can see everything, guys. We will run this now. Yeah, perfect. Now let's see what happens. So it will go serially, first test 1, then test 2, then test 3. So test 1 is being analyzed, uploading to security cloud, that is Gemini 2.5 Flash, along with the base 64 data of the image. Danger level low, 100% confidence. Now this is the reasoning, and now test 2 is being uploaded and it's danger level low, so the buzzer is beeped as you can hear. But now this is test 3. So as you can see, it's danger level high, and thus along with the buzzer the taser turned on, as you can clearly see. So that's the thing. Let me push this inside again. Right, so now it's time to integrate this thing. What do you call it again? Yeah, the ESP32 CAM. So before, in the Diogo 2 series, in the Diogo 2 series we had set a static IP for this, right? So when I open my browser, yeah, this is the static IP I had saved, which is 192.168.0.200. So let me turn this on now. What the hell? Hello? That shouldn't have happened. Why is this not working? Okay, it is working. So let's start stream. Scroll up. Yeah, so this is working. If you wonder where this view is coming from, I can show you that. So yeah, so now the thing is, we will need to keep it steady first of all, but before that we will just why is cookie so annoying, man? So we will go to our Diogo 2 folder and go to the main thing, because I want to copy the image thing, base 64 conversion directly from the IP. Let's do image, right, because image should work, right? Yeah, this one is nice. So we will just copy this basically. So yeah, let me just go here, not here, here. Yeah, go to the very front. Okay, actually let's do proto3.py. proto3.py. We'll copy this, put this in here. We are not doing this with Gemini because we don't need to do this with Gemini. So, we will do this. Trigger hardware is important. Write JSON is also important. Analyze image is also important. So where is this being turned into base 64? Here, right? We won't really need this, so we will have to just change this def analyze image. So let's do that. Yeah, so first we will do get frame b64. There is no image path, unfortunately. So analyzing ESP32cam feed. Okay, now here image underscore b64 is being used, so we can do with open, we can delete, right? Then we can do this, right? Error, image not image couldn't be received. Image could not be received. Could not be received. What is received spelling? I guess this is it. So get underscore frame underscore base 64. So this should work, right? Okay, that's it, right? Wait a second, I have to see one thing. Yeah, nothing is printed here, right? This system prompt thing would be saved, right? I don't even think anything needs to be changed now. Yeah, here write JSON data log. Yeah, we can just do time dot now here. What's the time? No, yeah, I know what to do. Bro, how many things we are importing? Date time. Then where did that go? Huh? What the hell? What the hell, guys? Am I blind? Yeah, here it is. So datetime dot now. Bruh, I'm sure it had a what time dot now. Huh? Let me check it, guys. I'm gonna be very honest with you. Let me check it in my phone. People can forget, guys. You know, people can forget. Date time Python module current time. Yeah. Yeah, I said right. To get the local date and time in Python, use the now method from date time. Acha, I thought about that once. I swear I thought about it. Dot date time dot now. Okay. So whatever. So now what? These I will not have to change anything. Yeah, now this is where things get tricky again, because you see analyze underscore image, we don't need any paths, right? Analyze image, analyze image, analyze image. Where did analyze image go? Yeah, so we don't need any paths. So yeah, if serial dot close, if serial dot close, okay, serial connection close safely. So this is the thing after that's done, right? Are you getting me? I am trying to say this will be executed when we want to close the whole program. So while true, no, we can do while true, but and just break it. Yeah, we don't need to make a running boolean variable. We can do while true and we can just break it when we need to. So okay, that's interesting, because how should we break it? Okay, I get it. Try pass accept keyboard interrupt break. Yeah, this should work, right? We will check it out. Okay, now in the try variable we are just going to do analyze image, and then time dot sleep interval, and interval let's keep 10 seconds for now. Is that fair? 10 seconds should be fair. Time dot sleep, right? Yeah, that's nice. So I guess that's the code complete, right, guys? Let's run it and see. Let's give it a try. But before that, we will need to set this up, right? Set this up in a good manner. And we of course need a prop to trigger the safety things, and I have just the thing for that. So this will be a gun, okay? And I have another thing that I want to bring. Wait, one second, guys. Okay, so this is a black bag filled with my chemistry modules. So yeah, we will use this as use these two as props. But before that, we will need to set this camera up. 1 second. because I can't touch the camera, right? Anyway, I have to check one thing out. See, now if we flip it, it will be fine enough. But if we flip it here, will the thing be also flipped when we see? This is okay now. But now if we do slash capture, would the settings be same? Oh, it is the same. You learn something new every day. Yeah, this is okay, I guess then. This is okay. Now let's start. Let me bring this thing out. Do this. Although nothing will be triggered at this moment because everything's safe. Do you realize I'm working with 3 cameras? This webcam, this ESP32 cam, this camera. Crazy. So yeah, this one is okay. So let's start. Let's run it, man. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Yeah, start. First will be safe. I will just be looking here. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So when this happens, the first thing that comes in my mind is my quota has been exceeded, and if that's true, I am in huge trouble. So yeah, the only way to figure that out is make a normal request maybe. So let's go here, let's go here, JSON Gemini. Let's see what this guy tells me. No, so my quota has not been exceeded. So most probably, okay, let's do one thing. My gut feeling is saying I need to turn up the interval, so I will do 19. And let's check whether the stream is okay still or not. Yes, it is okay. I will just move it here. Yeah. So let's turn on Proto 3 again. Okay, that can be good. Okay, I have another feeling, maybe because a string object cannot be interpreted as an integer. And where exactly are you getting this? System error. So from here, right? So while trying this, basically, oh, I think that should be the problem, right? I think that was the problem. Let's do again, I guess. Okay, still there is a problem. Okay, too many requests. So basically my quota got exceeded. So guys, I will meet you. When does the quota request refresh? When does Gemini quota API this thing API limit reset? Okay, so basically I will meet you tomorrow. So Why am I saying bye bye? I will have to come back tomorrow. So yeah, bye for now. So hello guys, it's me in the evening. I just got off some work in physics and I completed the ethnic voice chat project. So now I am back on working in this thing. So yeah, let's see if Gemini's quota limit resetted or not, because if it didn't, we have another API key. Yeah, that's the good news. So now, yeah, this is the thing. Let's put this here. Actually, we can put it here because we are going to start to stream, and yeah, this is a good position. I can rest it on my hand maybe. Yikes. Okay, good enough, good enough. This good enough. Okay, I will have to do stuff with one hand, so please. So yeah, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. So yeah, this was the final code, right? And yeah, let's do it. 1 second guys. Yeah, first let me do this thing. wget 192.168.0.200/capture. I just want to see how the image is coming out. Why maybe? Yeah. How did it come? What? Capture.jpg. So why didn't it come? It should have come, right? Maybe here? No, what? Am I being dumb? Acha, let me see here. Scripts. No. Okay, let me just check it from there only, when I don't even care. Okay, it's working. But no, we have to turn on V-flip again. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, it's a good view. Now, if I get still, yeah, this is a good thing. Now, whether you can hear me, right? It would be embarrassing if you couldn't hear me all along. No, you can hear me, right? So, it's time guys, I will have to do this one. Okay, so hello guys, my friend had called me. So yeah, let me get this back, right? Yeah, that's a nice view, I guess. So now all we have to do is run it, right? Let's run it. You can see this view and you can see this view. Okay, uploading to security cloud, as long as it doesn't repeat. Fuck. Why? Okay, too many. Okay, you know what? No worries at all. We have another API key, and to extract that, we would need to go to ethnics code. So yeah, you are going to get a first view at that. Yeah. So here it is our new API code. Array, close this. Yeah. And we are going to replace this. Nice. Now we have to set up the camera again. Yes, and now we can run it. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh shit, hardware not found, and why is it repeating here also? I forgot to connect this one. My bad. And why is it repeating here too, man? I mean, I also use this for testing the ethnic completion. Do we have to create another API key? Don't tell me that. Let's see what excuse it gives. Man, I'm so tired of this shit. What else, man? What? Invalid argument? What the hell, man? What the hell? Huh. Okay, so you know what? You know what we are going to do? We are going to Acha, why I figured it out why it showed the error. That's because these colons are not accepted, right? But don't worry, we can remove that using formatting. But for now, what we are going to do is import random. I think you know where this is going. So where is there, right? So string random dot randint 1 to 100, right? So let's run it again. You can see this, right? Yes, more or less you can see. Now let's see what happens. Yes, we finally got an input. Let's go. Because of this. And now it's time to use our prop, the gun. So yeah, so we finally got an output here, as you can see. Area secure, 100% confidence, a person wearing headphones and glasses. That's me. So now we are going to take our gun. Where is our gun? Yeah, here it is. Gun, guys. So what I'm going to do is pose for this. Let me see. Okay. So this is nice, I guess, right? This will be enough. So let's get going. Okay, you know what? I am trying to set this up so that I can do keep one of my hand free. Let me check. No, man, it's not happening. I wish I had. You know what? Let me call someone, maybe my dad, to help, capture the phone. So, one second, guys. So, hello, guys. I am back. I have got my dad to hold the phone. So, now I can pose like this, right? Lack of tripod, guys. What can I say? So, yeah, like this. I will have to aim here. And let's see what AI has to say for it. So we have run it, and okay, it is uploading to security cloud. Let's see what happens. Area secure. Okay, the person is holding a small non-threatening object, likely a toy or pen. So it has identified that this is not a threat, because this is a toy gun. So I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. So I will have to find a more threatening thing. So I will be right back. Okay, guys. So I have come back with a better gun. So now I am going to go back to the stream and see how it looks. Yeah, like this. So let's run it back. Oh, too many requests are there. That's not good. Oh man, I will have to generate a new one. 1 second, guys. So guys, I have generated a new API key and put it in the field. So let's run it for maybe last time. Okay, so it's processed. Yes! We have done it, guys! Yes, let's go! Finally, it's successful, as you could see in the recording. the taser and the buzzer both went off because Gemini detected that it's a real threat, high level threat. If I was just stealing maybe an item, it would, the buzzer only would go off. But as we were holding a gun which could be a real threat, it flagged it as too dangerous for just a buzzer to go off, and the taser also went off. And if we see the reasoning, it would be very clear. Let me put this out. And here, okay, let me close this. Yeah, so it went again and it's saying area secure because I was not doing anything. But here, as you can see, 90% confidence, theft detected, high, danger level high. I am holding a firearm. While no explicit tackle of taking items is shown, the presence of weapon creates an immediate and high danger situation, strongly implying the potential for armed robbery or violence. There are also these JSON files created. Let's see which one is our things. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, the project is successful. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Bye bye.